Happy kids learning.
Hello, Sammy. How are you?
I'm good, Professor Owie. How are you?
I'm doing well. Just feeling a little bit cold.
Yeah, it's snowy here. Are we going to have quizzes on animals living in cold regions?
That's right. Let's start with the easy questions. Which animal is a polar bear?
That's correct. This photo shows a polar bear. A polar bear has thick white fur that keeps it warm in the icy Arctic.
Which animal has large antlers?
The answer is this one, a reindeer. A reindeer has impressive large antlers that can grow every year.
Which animal is known for its impressive horns?
This one is the answer, musk ox. A musk ox is known for its massive horns, built to withstand the cold Arctic winds.
Which animal is an Arctic fox?
Right answer, this one is an Arctic fox. An Arctic fox has a thick white coat that helps it blend into the snowy surroundings, making it a master of camouflage in its frigid habitat.
Which animal is known for its thick, long fur?
That is right, a yak. A yak has thick, long fur to stay warm in the high, chilly mountains.
Which animal can live at high altitudes?
The answer is this one, Dall sheep. A Dall sheep navigates steep terrains with ease, living up high.
Which animal is known for its beautiful spots?
The answer is snow leopard with beautiful spots. A snow leopard has gorgeous spots, blending perfectly into the snowy mountain backdrops. My turn to ask questions. Which animal has distinctive black and white markings?
That's correct. It is Siberian husky. A Siberian husky is famous for its striking black and white markings and blue or brown eyes.
Which animal uses its tusks to break through Arctic ice?
The correct answer is walrus. A walrus uses its long tusks to break through ice for breathing holes in the Arctic.
Which animal is having a really fast running speed in snow?
Arctic hare runs really fast, so this one. An Arctic hare has incredible speed, zipping across the snow to escape predators. Great job on those easy questions, Sammy. I'm really impressed with your knowledge. Now let's make things a bit more challenging with some medium-level questions.
Sure, I'm ready when you are.
Which animal is a snowy owl?
Right answer. This one is a snowy owl. A snowy owl has striking white feathers that help it blend into the snowy landscapes while hunting.
Which animal is known for sliding on its belly?
The answer is this one, a penguin. A penguin loves to slide on its belly across the ice. What a fun way to travel.
Which animal is known for pulling sleds in snowy environments?
Alaskan Malamute is the correct answer. An Alaskan Malamute is strong and loves pulling sleds through snowy environments.
Which bird is the largest falcon in the Arctic?
That is right, Gerfalcon. A Gerfalcon, the largest falcon in the Arctic, soars high above the icy lands.
Which marine mammal has a long spiral tusk?
That's correct. It is narwhal. A narwhal is known for its long spiral tusk, which looks like a unicorn's horn.
Which bird catches fish by diving from great heights?
Puffin is the correct answer. A puffin catches fish by diving from great heights. Watch out below.
Which animal is a top predator known for its thick white coat?
The right answer is Arctic wolf. An Arctic wolf is a top predator with a thick white coat that keeps it warm in the coldest climates. My turn again. Which animal is known for its fierce hunting skills in the Arctic?
The answer is this one, a wolverine. A wolverine is known for its fierce hunting skills and tough nature in the Arctic.
Which animal is famous for its smile and fluffy white coat?
Samoyed is the correct answer. A Samoyed is famous for its big smile and fluffy white coat that keeps it warm.
Which bird has pure white plumage and black legs?
Correct. It is ivory gull. An ivory gull has pure white plumage and black legs, making it a beautiful sight in the Arctic skies. Fantastic job with the medium questions. Now let's dive a bit deeper and test our skills with some hard questions.
I'm ready to challenge myself. Let's go!
Which bird migrates over 3,000 miles?
Snow goose is the correct answer. A snow goose migrates over 3,000 miles, flying from Arctic regions to warmer climates and back again.
Which animal excels on steep terrains?
That's correct. It is mountain goat. A mountain goat excels on steep terrains. nimbly climbing up rocky mountains with ease.
Which penguin is chin-strap penguin?
The right answer is this one. A chin-strap penguin is easily recognizable by the narrow black band under its head, looking like it's wearing a tiny helmet.
Which predator uses wave washing?
Orca is the right answer. An orca, also known as a killer whale, uses a hunting technique called wave washing to catch seals off ice floes.
Which animal has paddle-shaped antlers?
The answer is this one, moose. A moose is known for its large paddle-shaped antlers that can span over 6 feet across.
Which animal changes fur color with the seasons?
Ermine is the correct answer. An ermine, a small but fierce predator, changes its fur from brown in summer to white in winter to blend in with the snow.
Which marine animal is known for its nursing on ice floes?
The correct answer is me, a harp seal. A harp seal is known for nursing its pups on ice floes in the frigid Arctic waters. Hard questions from me. Which animal is famous for its long migrations across continents?
Correct. White-tailed deer. A white-tailed deer is famous for its long migrations across continents, traveling in large herds to find food and milder climates.
Which bird changes its feather color from summer to winter?
The answer is this one, a ptarmigan. A ptarmigan changes its feather color from brown in summer to white in winter, helping it hide from predators in the snow.
Which big cat is adapted to cold climates with a thick fur coat?
Correct! It is Siberian tiger. A Siberian tiger is adapted to cold climates with a thick fur coat, making it a powerful predator in snowy forests.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun content like this.